Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be reviewing two pairs of Gucci slides or fish slides with the slide bowers. The first shoe I'm going to review is this Gucci embroidered lion fur slides, and I've had this for a while and love this shoe. This is actually my favorite of all the shoes that I've owned. This is absolutely my go-to. I could wear this I wear it at events. I've been to weddings, special occasion, graduations, you name it, in this. So in this video, I'll be reviewing my findings after the wear and tear. It's been over 5 years, and how it's keeping up, and the do and don'ts, the keep and care, or what fades over time. So this shoe and all the shoes I'm reviewing, they're not new. They're shoes that already been in my collection. So I'm just doing a review of my findings over the years of wear and tear, been through the winter, the summer, the springs, travel, different condition, different places, and still standing. So let's get into it. The Gucci embroidered lion, that's what caught me, because I'm always attracted to the lion pattern of all the cartoon or the embroidery that they have on the Gucci products. This is my favorite. I also have this one too. I like this ghost skull, angel skull. I like this too, whatever they want to call it. As you can see, the horse bit is still in great condition, still holds the color. Just like over time, you might find by wearing it movements here, little black spots, but it's good. It has a few creasing here and there, even though I keep the stuffing on the inside. See, always keep the shoe, the paper you get in it. Always keep it in it, so it keeps it sturdy. So I have them in both. I keep them in both. So far so good. Have minimal creasing at the sides. It has a little bit of bruising at the bottom. And you can see where it's a little bit of white, turning white, because the dye is from wear and tear. I think they say this is kangaroo. I gotta look back on the paperwork on the box, because I think he said it's kangaroo fur. And the fur, this stands up pretty well. I still have all my furs, because I still try to, keep it. I choose how I wear it. The furs are still there and pretty good. You know what I mean? Being furry and stuff like that. I was not really a big fan of the fur, but at the time when these came out, it was a trend. Even though the fur is still a trend, fur never get old. And so far, it stands out pretty good. The bottom, the heel has wear on the bottom, but it's not as bad. Not as bad as most that people overwear, so it rubs the bottom down, and you still have excessive wear right here, excessive wear here. But for this shoe, how thin the bottom is, you see how thin the bottom is, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. And if you have, I see in shoes that I've already resold, people have to redo the bottoms. And try not to drag your feet in these. If you walk and drag your feet, you're gonna rub the whole thing down till you start hitting the back of here. So this is still in pretty great condition. I love it. I don't find any fault with it. And after years, it's still in pretty great condition. When I clean it, if it's dirty enough that I would say, you know what, I see spots in it, go back to my go-to. I a little bit of Dawn soap on a thin cloth, not too coarse, and you rub in circles. I rub in circles. When I rub in circles. Circles. I got splash mark from here from like hazards, you know what I mean? I get my little brush, my spray bottle, light brush. And you know, I take the cloth and I wipe. So this the reason why it's still in great condition for all these years. And if you have yours, ensure that you follow the right, you know, direction as how to keep it, because they were expensive when they came out, and you don't see them much. They're no longer for sale in a Gucci store, so be mindful of that. And you do not want to walk where you're rubbing here. I see some that people has that all the hair is big scratch and his ear turns white. It's just by kicking too much. So this is what I would say about it. So this video is pretty short, and on this one too, you see at the front it has the white because of walk. When you walk and you touch stuff, it chips right here, and you still have a few wrinkles right here. Have a few wrinkles on here, not that bad. And the lion is still in good condition. The horse bit is still in good condition. Still has the piece right here that's holding it, that's not ripped. I've seen some that ripped and people stitch it back. I mean, the walk pad is not bad. See, the walk pad is still intact. The bottom not worn too much compared to how, as I mentioned, how thin the bottom is. I think they could have made this a little bit thicker. I've seen people resold these and they put steps on it, but I wouldn't resole it and put steps on it. I would have tried to get the same bottom and have somebody professional do it, a professional shoemaker who could repair it. So as I said, it still stands in great condition, still loving this shoe, still rocking it, still stands out. You know, still get compliments in these. Females love these. When I put this on, I'm married, but females still love these. So this is just my review of my findings of having these, wearing them, how they look after years of wear and tear. And this is still great condition, you know what I mean? Still great condition. I love these. So this is my other pair of loafers in this design. And I have a lot of shoes. I have other dress shoes, I have boots, you name it. This is the one you could wear you could also wear it as a slippers, as a slide, because the back you could pop it in, and this stitching right here that allows it to, so you could slide in it. I like the skull. I like the skull, and if you notice on this one too, I'm gonna mention, even though it's two different shoes, this one has the steps. This one has a step on it. So if you were to do the other bottoms, you could put a step on it like this, but I don't think it would be that comfortable. And it's pretty comfortable. The bottom is not wearing, and see the is not much wear on the edge right here. It's the skull, and this is can also be wearing the slides. So you could pop the bottom in, and you could wear the slides, and it's still in pretty good condition, because what I try to do, I try to moisturize my shoe with leather with moisturizers to keep the leather soft. So you can see it's pretty soft, and it still stands out. It still stands out, and remember, it's how you carry your shoe, how you wear your shoe, how you store your shoe. Always remember to moisturize your shoe. And years later, couple years later, still in great condition, still loving it. And just like the visible wear here from bumping into stuff when you walk, the heels is not walked down, it's still in great condition. The leather, you go have the buckling and cracking at the back, because when you put it down like this, if you wear, like you go out and you feel like you want to wear the slippers or a half a shoe, this is what it looks like. So then there's no moving of the leather from the soles, so they're still in great condition. So if you have a pair of these, always remember to do the right thing. Get your leather cleaner. Get your leather moisturizers and moisturize your leather so they don't crack. Do not use no chemical to clean your shoe. Use water and little light soap, Dawn soap, spray. Get a little cloth or a piece of sponge and you rub in circles, light gently in circles. No use no Scotch-Brite from your kitchen or whatever. Don't do that. Light cloth, thin cloth preferably, light spritz, gently. So you remove whatever stains on it. Then you get your polish in circles, you moisturize in circles, and you get it looking like this. So I don't find any issues. To see there's no cracking. Good job, Gucci. There's no cracking. As thin as the bottom is, there's no cracking. There's no cracking in the bottom. And as you can see right here, I wore this and I did not get to clean it. I got to recondition it. So you see how it looks right here, where the dye fades because of bruising in the front. Once you get the cream and the leather rejuvenator, you rub it over it, it brings this back. It won't bring the bottom back, bottom part. If in order to bring the bottom part back, you have to like re-dye it or restain it, whatever they do. And it's pretty good condition. And for shoes like these that's getting worn a lot, I rotate and I wear, because when I go to events, I'll wear these. And most of the time, I wear it like a sandals. I love to wear it like this. So if you got a pair of these, always remember, do the right thing. Choose what to use to clean your shoes. Do not use no shoe cleaner that they below. You could buy this on like Amazon, you could buy this on eBay, you could buy this here because this clean the shoes like this. No, the best thing to clean your shoes is water. You wear it in water, you wear it in the rain doesn't hurt it, use it to clean it. Add a little bit of soap and you know what I mean? So this is just a review of 2 of the shoes that I have. This is 2 of many. And this is 2 of many that I have, and I chose to do a review because I've seen people do reviews on these when they new or unboxing, and I'm doing a review of years of wearing and what it looks like after wearing for a period of time, after how I keep and care, how they look after wearing, caring, storing. So this is how they look. So if you got yours, don't just kick it to the curb, wear it, just take some water, some cleaner and clean it, and then you rub it too hard, you rub off the dye from the leather, then it turns white, then it doesn't look presentable no more. Even though it's Gucci and you wear it to the bottom, it's still gonna stand out. Still gonna stand out, people still gonna know it's a Gucci. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.